Viewers, you are welcome back to class again. Still on factorizing quadratic expression. In this class, I'll be factorizing another quadratic expression, and in this topic, we are getting deeper, class by class. What is on the board now is y squared plus y minus 30. By what we have on board, letter A is 1, letter B is plus 1, and letter C is minus 30. Letter A is the coefficient of y squared, letter B is the coefficient of y, and C is the number here. So with what we have here, we focus here on the middle, and the coefficient of y is plus 1. Now, we are looking for the two numbers that will be added or subtracted to get plus 1, and the product gives us minus 30. So this time around, with the negative value of c, I want us to start the work from c, which is minus 30. Let's try to look at the factors of 30. And we can start by 1 by 30, 2 by 15, 3 by 10, and 5 by 6 as the factors of 30. Now, if we look at sets, we're going to pick the one that the addition or the subtraction gives plus 1. If we look at 1 and 30, either addition or subtraction cannot give us plus 1. 2 and 15 cannot give us plus 1. 3 and 10 cannot give us plus 1. So 5 and 6 is the appropriate set here. If we take away 5 from 6, we'll get 1. And the product of 5 and 6 gives 30. So let's write out 5 and 6. How can 5 and 6 give us positive 1? It will work out if we have positive 6 minus 5. Taking away 5 from 6, the result will be plus 1. And the product of the two gives minus 30, because negative multiplied by positive gives us negative sign. So with this, we can open and close two brackets, write the variable y inside, and for the first letter minus 5, and for the second letter plus 6. That's the result of the factorization by the fastest method. Then, using the step-by-step method, we're going to replace y here with minus 5y plus 6y. And we have it this way: y squared minus 5y plus 6y minus 30. This time around, we factorize. The common letter here is y. We have y minus 5. The common number here is 6. We have plus 6, y minus 6 in 30, 5. And for us to have the negative back here, if we have a positive 6 here, this place will be a negative sign, because positive multiplied by negative sign will give us negative sign. And whenever we are doing the factorization, we must be considering the first step, that when we open the bracket, are we able to result or get back what is in our first line. So if you look at these two, plus 6 out here, when you remove plus 6 here, you'll be left with y. The number of 6 here is 5, and for the sign to correlate, minus 5 will be here. It is plus 6 by minus 5 that will give us minus 30. So this place cannot be positive 5. This one cannot be positive 5. It's negative 5 because plus 6 multiplied by minus 5 will give us minus 30. So since we have the same thing in the bracket, is a good work. So we pick one of the brackets y minus 5 and write what we are able to factorize out, y plus 6 in another bracket. So this is the result of the factorization. Checking it with the first one, we have the same result. Good job. Thanks for watching. Bye.